dolls. So I came up with this really cute idea because of what's going on in the world right now. A lot of brides had to cancel their wedding for 2020, so I decided to help save weddings for 2020. A lot of weddings I'm seeing are happening in the house or in the courthouse, and you can still get married in style, but you can stay safe at the same time. So I decided to show you how I make my bridal face mask, and I am also going to be selling them on Etsy. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's do this DIY video. I hope you're able to replicate them. If not, you can also go to the link below, and I'm going to be selling a lot of these pieces. I only have a few of them in stock in each piece because all of these are like leftover fabric from my wedding dress collection from the past few years. So yes, share this video, help this video go viral, and thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. The items that I'm going to be using to make, oh my god, my nails. Oh, no nails, no nails, no nails. I hate how they look right now. Oh, and I bite them down as well, so they will, as long as, see, I only have one left. Oh my god, this is so bad. So anyway, these are the items I'm going to be using to make the mask, so the bridal mask. So I printed this online. This is the pattern. I found the pattern online. They have male and kid sizes. Got my pins. I got this from Amazon, on Amazon Prime, and unfortunately they don't have them everywhere like Joann's. This is sold out, but there's so much for $17. I got so much of this in a roll of these, but you have to wait a very long time to get this in the mail. So you know, good luck finding it. They did sell out. They keep selling out because everyone's trying to make masks right now. You need scissors, obviously, and I'll be using, see, I tried to order neoprene fabric, and this is the fabric they sent me. This is not neoprene at all. I wanted neoprene because neoprene is durable, it's stretchy, and it's just good quality. You don't have to like hem it or, you know, do anything like that. So, but unfortunately this is not neoprene, which I'm going to be having a word with the seller. They did not sell me the right stuff, and I'm not happy about that. This is some cheap spandex, but it's not neoprene at all. Anyway, enough of my rant. So these are all the stuff I'm going to be using. I also have some gems, so random gems, like I have a huge trim like this that I'm going to be using to make one of the masks. It's so gorgeous. Now this is stuff I have laying around, so I'm not going to put any links to this because a lot of them are things I've had over the years, and I'm like, this is a good time to get them out. This bling that I just didn't use on wedding dresses. I have a whole Ziploc bag of bling, literally, and lace. So I'm not going to put them like a link down below because you're not going to be, look at this. You're not going to be able to find this. This is like years of designer collecting. I have so much I order online of bling. So I have all these diamonds, loose diamonds, obviously they're fake crystals. Got my label I'm going to be adding in there. I have some lace applique that I cut out that's going to be going on there as well. I have just bling that I've cut up all over like throughout the years. I have so much, like this is just beautiful. So much different types of bling inside here that I'm going to be using. Look at this one. How gorgeous is this? And I've got loose pearls inside here. As you can see, there's just so much. And this is going to be the fun part, is putting all of this together. And of course I have my E6000 glue to apply all of this. It's going to be so easy and it's going to look so pretty, and I can't wait to be done. And just in general, I'm going to do some for everyday wear. Look at this one here in black, so I can wear it every day. Oh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm probably going to be doing this for myself with black fabric, but this is so beautiful. Look at that. So yeah, we're going to get started. I'm going to just show you how I make them. This is not really a tutorial for you to make them because I do plan to sell these anyway, so I'm not going to give you all my secrets. But I'm just going to show you how I make them because I thought, you know, why not? I, you know, have a YouTube channel, might as well show you as much as I can of things I do. Like, I love showing my creative side. So I'm not going to be too tutorial-ish. I'm just going to be, you're just going to watch how I make my bridal mask. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's make this bridal COVID-19 mask. Basically, cut my, so I have my pattern here. I cut it out onto the fabric as expected. And I get my fabric pieces and put them together like this. And then get my pins. And obviously I pin them, I pin this down. And then when I pin them, they should look like this. So what I'm going to do is turn my sewing machine on, put this down, and then I'm going to just I know how to eyeball it, and pretty much all the time, because I'm just used to, if you're used to sewing and making stuff, you can eyeball stuff, and I pretty much eyeball everything. So sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm wrong. So basically I'm just going to cut this piece off that's left over, and I'm going to sew this down because we're having like the mask part is coming together now. It's done now. These are sewn on really tight. So now you can put something in the middle to reinforce this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as is. So because it stretches, so what I'm going to do, I have my bling that I have cut out. I'm just going to randomly, each design is going to be different in this that you're going to see, but I'm just going to randomly place these on here, and I'm going to be using my hot glue gun to put them on, and I'm also going to be using these. Added some diamonds inside this. I'm now going to add some of these pearls that I have over here, and I'm going to do that right now, and this should be done. I also finished the other rhinestone mask off camera, so you're going to see that at the very end of this video. And I also made another simple one if you want. I made 3 masks and I'm going to be making more like every day because they're really fun and it's easy to do for me. I get new ideas all the time with the scrap fabrics I have left. Share this video. I want a lot of brides to see this video to know there's still hope for 2020 brides, and thank you so much for watching.